Hello, we are working on lab 12.3.7, which is a configure a captive portal. You have been hired by a small hotel to configure how their guests access the internet. You have chosen to use PFSense captive portal feature. Guests must pass through this portal to access the internet. In this lab, your task is to access the PFSense management console. Username is admin, password is 0. Add a captive portal zone named guest Wi-Fi. Use the description zone used for the guest Wi-Fi. Using the guest Wi-Fi interface, configure your portal as follows. Allow a maximum of 100 concurrent connection. Disconnect a user from the internet if the connection is inactive for 30 minutes and disconnect user for 2 hours regardless of activity. Limit user download and upload speed to 8,000 and 2,500 kilobytes per second respectively. Force users to pass through your portal prior to identification. Allow the MAC and IP address to pass through the portal, and the MAC and IP is provided. Give the IP address, the description, and the admin's laptop. So this is 12.3.7, and let us start up right away. And if you find this video to be too fast for you, you can always pause the video and work at your own pace, because I want this video to be as short as possible. Alright, let us start up. Let's input our credentials for PFSense. And then let's go to services, captive portal. Let's see, the zone name is going to be guests underscore Wi-Fi as provided here. Okay, so the zone description is going to be zone used for the guests Wi-Fi. So we're going to save, and then using the guest Wi-Fi interface, configure your portal as follows. Allow a maximum of 100 concurrent connections. So description, guest Wi-Fi, concurrent connections, idle timeouts, disconnect the user from idle timeouts, internet after 2 hours regardless of activity use. Limit users download and upload limit to 8,000, 2,500 kilobytes per second respectively. Force users to pass through your portal prior to authentication. So let's see, none, don't authenticate. So traffic quota in megabyte is going to be 8,000, and then pass-through credits per MAC address is going to be 2,500. And we scroll down, let's see, force users to pass through your portal prior to authentication. Okay, so let's save this and allow the following MAC and IP address to pass through the portal. So go to edit MAC. So we input the MAC address provided. Remember, you can always copy and paste, but I just prefer typing it out. And then the bandwidth UP, let's save this add description 198.28.1, and let's see. Description is going to be admin laptop. Save. Let's check our answers. Okay, so let's show details here. Okay, so this is mixed. So let's keep working. Go back and fix this remaining one we omitted. So let's go to configuration and scroll down. Enable per user bandwidth restriction to 8,500 to 2,500, and let's save and go back and check our answers and see. Okay, so we still go back and quickly fix download, and okay, yeah. So we'll go back. Okay, we imputed 8,500 instead of just 8,000. Alright, so we just go scroll down and save and check our answers. If this video was helpful, remember to share so that others can benefit also. Like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next